Well, talk about problems in paradise. There's the back wall of my shed. That's right over here is a Williams banana. There is another one laying next to it over there. There was a third one over behind. I dragged the third one over and it was small enough I could move it and transplant it. These, they're too big. I got to chop them up. See right there where the whole corm turned right over in the soil. Just flipped right over. That's all right, though. It works out because there's a mangosteen tree right there, and this mangosteen, gradually I've been exposing it to more and more sunlight as it's getting older, so those bananas had to go anyway because they were in the sunlight of the mangosteen. So no loss, but I'll tell you, Kona wind around here. That's when we get a wind that comes up from the south-southwest. Kona wind, other than maybe getting brushed by a hurricane, gotta be the worst thing that ever hits this island. I was heading to the airport yesterday when it broke out, and oh my God, stuff was flying. Rain was horizontal. Hilo flooded by the bayfront. We had bolts of lightning everywhere. They're messy. I don't like them too much. Thank goodness we don't get too many of them. The only good news about it is that the fog from the volcano will blow up this side of the island when it happens, and boy, we get the most beautiful sunrises. You should have seen it. For some reason, bananas over in this area just don't seem to take the wind as bad. So one of the Williams that came over, I just moved it right over here. It was small enough I could drag it and stick it back in the ground. I put it over there next to another one of his buddies that's been there since the last time one cracked down out here. I am definitely getting away from Williams. I love those great big 50-60 pound bunches. I like the fact that plants don't get too tall. I like the nice mild banana. It's sweeter, less acidic than the apple banana, but boy oh boy, they fall over every time the wind blows. Well, convenient enough though. You can see right there. There's a bud coming off the corm. There's another one right here next to it. I see some more coming around the other side. And so, you know, we're going to turn this mess into a winning situation. This means I'm going to be propagating more Williams bananas because I'll cut those little bits off of there. We'll put them in pots and grow up some nice banana plants. These do not have the bunchy top virus, so they're clean. So there we have it. All the trash of the bananas cut up, added to the compost pile. The stump from the bananas, 2 of them, right here, I cut them off. I flipped them back over because some of the roots are still adhered, and it's going to make the shoots come out a lot faster if I leave them there. I'll come by and harvest the khaki pups later on. And there's a little more light on the mangosteen, little by little. In this case, nature's taking its course.